Do you ever feel like no matter how hard you work, your wallet is just a revolving door? Money in, money out, like some kind of a cosmic joke. We tell ourselves, if I just made a little more, everything would be fine. Really? Then why did your last raise disappear like a fart in the wind? The problem isn't your paycheck. It's that your money has zero respect for you. Because, let's be honest, you haven't exactly been setting boundaries. The author doesn't sugarcoat it. More money won't fix your life. But knowing the difference between needs and wants, that might. Let's be real, most of us can't tell the difference between I need this and I emotionally crave this like a toddler needs a nap. Your brain lights up when you buy stuff. It's dopamine. But that high has a price tag. And guess who foots the bill? Future you. So what do? First, list your actual needs. Shelter, food, getting to work. Not that $20 lavender oat milk latte you call self-care. Now take your bank statement. Go full detective. What did you think was essential, but actually just made you feel better for 3 minutes? If you use credit to patch emotional holes, congratulations! You've entered the slow spiral of a debt with bonus interest. Want a budget that works? Stop guessing. Track your real numbers. Yes, even that $2.75 coffee you swear doesn't count. It does. Budgeting isn't punishment. It's just honesty with yourself. Like admitting that your emergency pizza nights are really just laziness with melted cheese. Gail drops a line that hits. Managing what you have beats chasing what you don't. 'Cause control beats chaos. And let's talk about debt. The 4-letter word that should come with a warning label. May cause insomnia, regret, and broken dreams. There is good debt. Education, maybe a home. And there is I financed a couch because it looked comfy debt. You know which one you're in. Pay advance loans, they are financial crack. 70, 100 plus interest rates. Legal theft. Don't walk away, run. Step 1 to freedom. Admit you have problems. Say it with me. I suck with money, but I'm done pretending I don't. Step 2. Write down every dollar you spend. All of it. Even the stupid stuff. Especially the stupid stuff. Then go on a cash-only diet. If it ain't in your wallet, it ain't happening. Swiping is painless. That's the trap. Step 3. Pay off your most expensive debt first. Snowball it. Momentum is your new best friend. No extra cash to make a dent? Side hustle, better job. Sell the junk in your closet. There is always a way, but it won't find you on the couch. Now the magic move. Save something. Anything. $1 a week. It's not the amount, it's the habit. You think you can save? Stop smoking for 3 days. Boom, $45. That's your emergency fund seed money. Emergency fund equals sleeping at night. No emergency fund equals praying your car doesn't cough up a $70, $100 repair. Start small. Stay consistent. $25 a month for 40 years. Hello, nearly 100K. No lottery needed, just time and math. Saving isn't sexy. No one claps when you pack your lunch. But they will when you're not begging your credit card for mercy. Okay, let's talk banks. Most of them suck. Fees for everything, interest on nothing. Shop around. Be a smart consumer, not a passive victim. Don't use ATM like it's a vending machine. Every swipe costs you. Plan ahead. One withdrawal, done. Avoid overdrafts like emotional texting. Always ends badly, costs too much, and makes you feel like crap. Split your money into 4 piles: cash flow, emergency, long-term savings, and planned spending. That's how grown-ups win. You know what sucks? Watching your vacation fund go to zero because your impulse bought a new phone. Don't be that guy. Planned spending means no credit hangover. You spend the money you already stacked. Revolutionary, I know. No, budgeting won't solve your childhood trauma, but it will stop you from adding new problems. Control isn't about being rich. It's about making decisions on purpose, not by accident or desperation. Most people don't change because they think it will be painful. But being broke and anxious, that's real pain. Look, no one is coming to save you. But that's not bad news. It means you get to be the hero. So yeah, take control. Build a plan. Pay yourself first. And when it sucks, remember, so does staying stuck. Money isn't the enemy. Ignorance is. But now you know better. Time to do better. If any of these felt like a mirror, don't scroll away. Drop a comment, share with someone who needs a wake-up call, and maybe start that budget tonight. Your future self is waiting, less stressed, more free. Let's get you there, $1 honest at a time.